The numerous health benefits of honey and ginger. Both ginger and honey have their own individual health benefits. Ginger is a powerhouse of nutrients while honey is packed with its own health-promoting properties. When combined together, they form a healthy concoction that can be beneficial for a variety of health-related problems. Let's take a closer look at what this combination of honey and ginger has to offer. Provides cough and cold relief. Traditionally, the most popular uses of honey and ginger together were for treating cough, cold, and other respiratory issues. Several cultures across the world use this combination for relief from symptoms such as a sore throat or a runny nose. While we do not have a relevant study on this particular combination, individual researchers on ginger and honey have found that these two might relieve the common cold and cough. Ginger honey can aid in digestion. Ginger is a great ingredient to help your digestive system by aiding in the secretion of digestive enzymes which combats indigestion and digestive issues. Ginger honey is a great way to relieve an upset tummy or treat other digestive-related issues such as bloating. Ginger and honey on an empty stomach have been known to boost the digestive system, so ginger honey is your way to go. Ginger honey can provide relief from nausea and motion sickness. Ginger has been used to treat nausea for centuries, because ginger is known to help neutralize the acids in the stomach. This remedy is so popular that even pregnant women swear by it to combat morning sickness. When you're feeling nauseated after a long car ride, you can have some ginger honey to help settle your stomach. Contains antioxidant properties. Ginger and honey individually are known to have potent antioxidant properties. Individually, these ingredients may protect our bodies against free radicals, which in turn offers protection against cardiovascular conditions and several other diseases. Combining the two can give us a double boost of these powerful protective biological compounds. Ginger honey can help boost your immunity. Due to the beneficial antioxidant properties present both in ginger and honey, ginger honey can help strengthen the body's immunity. Having ginger honey on a regular basis can help your body's defenses in fighting colds and other illnesses. How to make ginger honey. Ginger tea honey can be made using fresh grated or minced ginger, but ginger powder can also be used. Once made, ginger honey can be stored for months and the infusion gets stronger with the passage of time. Ginger honey recipe using fresh ginger. This recipe calls for fresh ginger. Fresh ginger takes a while for it to get infused in the honey as compared to powdered dry ginger, so it's advisable to let the ginger honey mixture sit for a minimum of 2 weeks, preferably in the sunlight. Ingredients: 1 empty glass jar, 350 grams raw honey, 5 inches grated raw ginger. Directions: mix the honey and ginger into the glass jar. Make sure the mixture is mixed well and does not contain any air bubbles. Place the infused honey in sunlight for about 2 weeks for the ginger to get nicely infused.